Making money with copywriting involves writing persuasive content for businesses, websites, and brands to help them generate sales. Here's how to get started. Offer freelance copywriting services. Sign up on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, or People Per Hour to find copywriting gigs. Specialize in sales pages, ads, email marketing, product descriptions, or blog writing. Charge per word, per project, or per hour based on your experience. Start a copywriting business. Create a website showcasing your portfolio and services. Use social media to find potential clients, including startups, e-commerce brands, and influencers who need sales copy. Cold email businesses with samples of your work to get direct clients. Write and sell digital products. Create and sell copywriting templates, ebooks, or courses to teach others how to write effective copy. Sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable. Affiliate marketing with copywriting. Use copywriting skills to create blog posts, social media ads, and email sequences that promote affiliate products. Earn commissions for every sale made through your unique affiliate links.